Now, I'd like you to meet Mr. Fig. He's planted this spring in my garden in a pot. He's got 2 children already. And the joy of watching a tree grow, I can't describe how lovely it is. I've always grown trees in my garden. I actually grow them to all my friends who have left already. But it's just a joy to walk around and see them all. They're so important to us. And the rewards you get for planting a tree and watching it grow is unbounded. Try it. The Royal Horticultural Society would be very pleased, and so would I.